Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook ostrich fern. First, identify the vibrant green fiddleheads emerging from damp, shady areas, typically in late spring. Look for the distinct U-shaped groove on the stem, which helps distinguish them from toxic lookalikes. Harvest them when they are tightly coiled and no taller than 6 inches, snapping them off cleanly at the base. Always take only about 1/3 of the fiddleheads from any single plant to ensure regrowth. Once harvested, thoroughly clean your fiddleheads. Gently rub off any brown, papery scales, as these can add bitterness. Rinse them several times under cold, running water, perhaps in a colander, to remove dirt and any small debris. Inspect each one carefully for insects or discolored spots, discarding any that appear damaged. Proper cleaning ensures a much more enjoyable and safe culinary experience with these unique greens. Blanching is a critical step for both safety and taste, removing a natural bitterness and potential toxins. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add the clean fiddleheads. Boil them for exactly 15 minutes. Afterward, immediately drain them in a colander and rinse thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and preserve their vibrant green color. This preparation step makes them safe and delicious for further cooking. Now that they are blanched, your fiddleheads are ready to be cooked. For a simple sauté, heat 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the blanched fiddleheads and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until tender crisp. You can also roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes with a drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt. They pair wonderfully with a squeeze of fresh lemon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.